shut close. I feel like you're up to something. Fuck that you're up to something. Scandalous. Taste my bitter heart, you know it makes you blood.